question 48 is very similar to one of the ones in the compendium. We've got a jet flying north for 50 kilometres. It then heads off north 70 degrees to the east for another 60 kilometres. I'm then asked to find the distance it is from its starting point as well as the bearing. Now, I can't do this in one shot. I've actually got to construct some right angle triangles. I need to find this distance x and the distance y, so I have my two sides of my right angle triangle. My D will eventually involve finding the hypotenuse. Starting to work this through, I'm going to call this triangle 1, the bigger triangle later on triangle 2. So in this triangle, put those in as you go. I could either choose to use Pythagoras' theorem, or I could use the cos ratio in order to find the y. Now, I often find these triangles getting a little bit congested, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to reconstruct the larger triangle, which I'll call triangle 2. That will be a total of 70.52. And I'll have the other side as 56.38 kilometres. Now, in this instance, I have to use Pythagoras' theorem in order to find the distance. So hypotenuse side. And the square root. The angle, the bearing is north 38.64 degrees towards the east. Now I might write a little statement to that effect at the very end. Clearly this question, more of a longer A-type question. Take some time to review this if you like, working it through carefully as you go. Once again, the secret was getting a decent diagram to commence work with, breaking it down into two smaller pieces in order to work it through.